So I'll share my screen. Yes. I hope my screen is visible, boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
पेज
Yes,
नंबर
ma'am.
50. मैंने पेज नंबर 50 ओपन किया है. So now I am on the end of first paragraph. But downstairs a chair scraped and he realized he must get down to help Claire paint the living room woodwork. So the wife was painting the living room wooden area. So he wanted to help his wife. Well, he walked along very sadly and came to a very big tree. And in the tip top of the tree was an enormous wise old owl. So he's continued with the story that he approached the wise old owl. Good. Now, good. Who is saying this good? Joe. Because Joe is happy कि जैसे उसने सोचा था प्लॉट वैसे आगे बढ़ रहा है. Mr. Owl, all the other little animals run away from me because I smell so bad. So now the skunk reiterates his problem, repeats his problem. So you do, and Owl is also making face. Yes, yes, you do smell so bad. Very, very bad. Now Roger Skunk said, what can I do? And he started crying. The wizard, the wizard. Now Joe again gets excited. अब Owl तो आ गया, अब किसके पास जाना है skunk को? Wizard के पास, जादूगर के पास जाना है. The wizard, the wizard. Joe shouted and sat right up. Now she was sitting straight. And a little golden book spilled from the bed. And a little small book went down from the bed. Now, Joe, Daddy is telling the story. Do you want to tell Daddy the story? Jack annoyed. Jack got annoyed. He asked, do you want to tell me the story or I should tell you the story? No, you, me. Now, Joe said, okay, okay, sorry, I will not interrupt. Please, you continue with your story. You are going to narrate the story to me. Then lie down and be sleepy. So father ordered, okay, then you need to lie down and feel sleepy. Her head again was pressed into the pillow. She said, out of your head. And she said, out of your head. Now, please keep me out of your head means please don't think about me and start narrating the story. Well, the owl thought and thought. So now the owl was continuously thinking. At last he said, why don't you go to see the wizard? So now the owl said to the Roger skunk, that go and meet the wizard. Daddy, now Joe again interrupted. So the father asked, what? Are magic spells real? Now see the girl's inquisitiveness. She wants to inquire more and more. So she asks, are magic spells real? क्या जादू टोना मंत्र असली होते हैं? This was a new phase. Just this last month, a reality phase. So this was the last month, and this was all a part of reality that she was facing because she was growing up. That's why she was having so many questions in her mind. When he told her spiders eat bugs, she turned to her mother and asked, do they really? So when she came to know that spiders eat bugs, insects, Joe was really surprised. And she confirmed it from her mother. That is it really true? And when Claire told her God was in the sky and all around them, and when she came to know that God exists all around us, she turned to her father and insisted with a sly yet eager smile, is he really? So all the time, Joe is questioning that is it really true that I'm coming to know, or you are still making a story? Because child's world is full of fantasy. And now she is making it her step, she is putting her step into the world of reality. That's why she is cross questioning everything. Right? अब क्या हुआ? They are real in stories. अब फादर ने क्या जवाब दिया? मैजिक स्पेल्स सच्चे होते हैं बट सिर्फ स्टोरीज में होते हैं. रियल लाइफ में मैजिक एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. Jack answered curtly. Curtly means smartly. She had made him miss a beat in the narrative. अब जो के इस क्वेश्चन की वजह से उसका नैरेटिव का जो फ्लो था वो खत्म हो गया था. The owl said, now he continued. The owl said, go through the dark forest under the apple trees into the swamp. Swamp is marshy place. जहाँ दलदल वाला एरिया होता है उसको कहते हैं swamp. Over the creek. अब what is a creek? A little river. Now the girl asked, what is a creek? The father said, it is a little river. Over the creek and there will be the wizard's house. तो अब उसको passage बता दिया कि अब आप river जब cross करोगे, then you will be reaching wizard's house. And that is the way Roger Skunk went. And Roger Skunk followed the directions. And pretty soon he came to a little white house and he rapped on the door. He knocked on the door. Jack rapped on the windowsill and under the covers, Joe's tall figure clenched in an infantile thrill. अब जितनी बार उसने knock किया, window पे, door पे, every time with every knock, Joe was getting more and more excited. कि अब क्या होने वाला है आगे. And then a little tiny old man came out with a long white beard. तुम लोगों को देखो पिक्चर में दिखाया हुआ है. Yes. See, the old man with short height and very, very long beard, white beard, white and pointed blue hat. तुम लोगों ने देखा है जनरली? हैरी पॉटर मुझे लगता है सबने देखी होगी. विजर्ड्स की कॉस्ट्यूम कैसी होती थी. So he was having a same kind of costume. A little, oh, sorry, जो Jack rapped on the window, and then a little old man came out with a blue hat and said, "Oh, what is this? What do you want? What you want means what do you want?" So he was so annoyed with the smell. "Oh, what is this? What do you want? You smell awful. You smell so bad." The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effects. And even Jack, the father, used to mimic the voice of wizard. The wizard, acha, he did it by scrunching up his face. जैसे मैंने अपना face बनाया अभी. He used to scrunch up, wrinkle his face like that, and somehow whining through his eyes, looking very pointedly through his eyes, which felt for the interval rheumy, which seemed to be as if his eyes were watery and red. He felt being an old man suited him. And Jack used to feel that he should be feeling like an old man, and that character suited him. "I know it," Roger Skunk said. So Roger Skunk said, "Yes, yes, I know it, that I smell so bad. And all the little animals run away from me. And that is why all the little animals in the forest run away from me." Just a minute, boys. Yes. So I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals ran away from me. The enormous wise owl said, "You could help me." Enormous wise owl said to me that you could help me. "Oh, well, maybe." So wizard said, "Okay, okay, let me see. Come on in. Okay, come in. Don't get too close, but don't come too near to me." Now inside, Joe, there were all these magic things. Now, the father explained to the daughter that inside the wizard's house, there were so many magical things, but they were all jumbled up together, mixed up together in a big dusty heap. Heap क्या होता है? ढेर. In a big dusty heap, because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady, because the wizard did not have anybody to maintain his room, the cleaning lady. Why? अब जो पूछती है वाई, उसके पास क्यों नहीं था कोई उसको हेल्प करने के लिए, कोई लेडी क्यों नहीं थी? तो फादर सेड, "Why? Because he was a wizard, a very old man. Because he was himself a wizard, a magician, and a very old man." So now Joe asked, "Will he die?" So Joe asked the father, "Is he going to die?" Means, will he die because he has become very old? "No, wizards don't die." So the father said, "No, no, wizards never die." Well, he rummaged around and found an old stick. Rummage means किसी चीज में ऐसे हाथ मार के ढूंढना. So he rummaged around and found an old stick called a magic wand. सबको पता है magic wand क्या होती है? What is a magic wand?
Magic stick.
That magic stick. So he found out a magic wand and asked Roger Skunk what he wanted to smell like. अब उसने क्या किया? वो छड़ी निकाली, जादुई छड़ी. और उसने रॉजर स्कंक से पूछा, "तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? तुम कैसे स्मेल करना चाहते हो?" रॉजर ने बहुत सोचा और उसके बाद बहुत सोचने का उसने क्या कहा, उसे किसकी स्मेल चाहिए? रोजेस. He want to smell like roses. Yes, good. जो said smugly. अब जो ने बड़े satisfied होके कहा, "Very good." अच्छा उसने roses के लिए कहा. Jack fixed her with a trance-like gaze. अब Jack was continuously looking at Joe without even flickering his eyes because the father was angry कि आप फिर बीच में interrupt कर रहे हो, and chanted in the wizard's elderly irritable voice. And now he again mimicked the voice of the wizard. "Abracadabra, hocus poo, Roger Skunk, how do you do? Roses, boses, pull an ear, Roger Skunk, you never fear. Bingo!" So he cast the magic spell. So let's see what happens. अब चलो तुम लोग पढ़ो. I'll stop for some time. Mohit, Mohit, read beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number 52.
Am I
Top of the
audible?
page. Yes, you are audible.
He paused as a rapt expression
Wrapped.
widened out from his. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lip down in a wide, noiseless grin. An expression in which Dax was startled to recognize his wife's feigning, feigning pleasure,
Feigning pleasure.
feigning pleasure at cocktail parties. And all of a sudden, he whispered, the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses, roses, and Roger Fish cried. And the wizard said, very cranky, that I'll be the pennies. That I'll be the 7 pennies. Daddy, what? Roger skunk? You said Roger fish? Yes, skunk. You said Roger fish. Wasn't that silly? Very silly of your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know about the pennies? Say it. Okay, Roger skunk said. But all I have is 4 pennies. And he began to cry. Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trace of sincerity. This inert Jack, this inert Jack. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be the third. It would be their third. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well. Go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find the 3 pennies. Hurry up." So Rogerson went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods. And all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. And they played tag, baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, and pick up sticks. What's pick up sticks? It's a game you play with sticks, like the wizard, like the wizard's magic man, kind of. And then and they played games and laughed all afternoon, and then it began to get the dark, and they all ran home to their mommies.
Okay, Mohit, stop it. Harshit,
Okay.
continue.
Yes, ma'am. And August skunk said, "It's me, mommy. I smell like roses." And she said,
हम्म, कहाँ पहुंच गए? पेज नंबर 53, टॉप ऑफ द पेज. जो was starting to fuss with her hands.
मैम वो
यही है
मैं
ना?
भी रीड कर रहा था ना, मैं पहले पहुंच गया था, सॉरी
अच्छा.
सॉरी। Joe was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window and at the crack of, of day that showed under the shade. She thought the story was all over. Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them apprehensive hanging on his words. Now, Joe, are you listening? Yes. Because this is very interesting. Roger skunk, mommy said, "What's that awful smell?" What? हम थोड़ा scroll up कर दो. And Roger skunk said, "It's me, mommy. I smell like roses." And she said, "Who made you smell like that?" And he had the wizard. And he said, "The wizard." And she said, "Well, well, all, well, of all the nerve,
एक मिनट, एक मिनट. हाँ, चलो.
well, of all the nerve, come with me, and we are going right back to that very awful wizard." Rose sat up her hands, dabbling, dabbling in the air with genuine fright. "But, Daddy," then she said about the other little animal run away. Her hands cut off.
Into the underbrush.
मैम स्क्रीन ब्लर हो रही थी.
अच्छा. Now is it fine?
Yes, ma'am. All right, he said, "But mommy, all the other little animals run away." And she said, "I don't care. You smell the way you a little skunk should have. I'm going to take you right back to that wizard." And she took the umbrella and went back with Robert skunk and hit the wizard right overhead the head. No, Joe said, and put her hand out of the to touch his lips. Yet even in her agitation, they did not quite dare to stop the source of truth. Inspiration come to her. Then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. No, he said. The wizard said, okay. And Roger Skunk did not smell of roses anymore. He smelled very bad against um, uh, yeah, uh, very bad against. But the other, like Amun, oh Amun, John, it's Daddy's story. Shall Daddy not tell you any more stories? Her broad face looked at him through shifted light, astounded. That is what happened then, Roger. Skunk and his mommy went home. They heard wo wo, and it was the Coco train bringing Daddy Skunk home from Boston, and they had lima beans, surly liver, mashed potatoes, and pie. Oh my dessert! And when Roger Skunk was in my bed, Mommy Skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like a little baby skunk again, and she loved him very much. And that's the end of the story. But Daddy, what then did the other animal run away? No, because eventually they got used to the way he was dead and did not mind it all.
Okay,
What
Harshit, stop. Harshit, stop. Chiransh. Chiransh. Yes, Chiransh, you raised hand. Chiransh, you raised hand. Bolo. Chiransh, unmute yourself and say. कुछ कहना है चिरांश? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. चलो मैं पहले एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ, फिर तुम लोग स्टार्ट करना दोबारा से, ठीक है? तो अब हम यहाँ पे थे. He had cast the magic spell. He paused as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostrils. Now he stopped, and suddenly a serious expression widened out, came out from his daughter's nostrils. Means she took a deep breath. Forcing her eyebrows up, she took her eyebrows up and her lower lip down like this in a wide, noiseless grin. And then there was a wide, without any noise, grin, smile. An expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feeling pleasure at cocktail parties. This kind of expression was generally given by Claire, Jack's wife, when she had too much of cocktail in the cocktail parties. And all of a sudden, now he whispered, the whole inside of the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses. So after this magic spell, the whole house was full of roses smell. Roger Fish cried, and the wizard said very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. Now, because the magic had been done, so he asked for his fees, that it would be 7 pennies. So now Joe interrupted again. Daddy, Jack said, what? Roger skunk, you said Roger Fish. So the dad had mispronounced the name. He had used Roger Fish. It should be Roger Skunk. So the daughter pointed out the same. This shows that how carefully, how intently she was listening to the story. Yes, yes, skunk. You said Roger Fish. Wasn't that silly? So she has, wasn't that foolish of you? You said Roger Fish. Very silly of your stupid or daddy. Now, where was I? Well, you know about the pennies. Now he confirmed. You know about the concept of pennies. It is there in the basic plot. Say it. Okay, Roger Skunk said. But all I have is 4 pennies. Now Roger Skunk started crying. Oh, I have only 4 pennies. So Joe made the crying face again. She was able to associate herself with Roger Skunk. But this time without a trace of sincerity. But this time she was not sincere in her tears. This annoyed Jack. Jack was very unhappy, angry that his daughter was not able to relate completely to Roger Skunk. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Downstairs, some more furniture moved. Claire shouldn't move heavy things. He was concerned about his wife. She should not be working on heavy furniture. Why? Because she was 6 months pregnant. It was going to be their third baby. So the wizard said, "Oh, very well, go to the end of the lane." So now he guided him how to get three more pennies. So go to the end of the street, turn around three times, and look down the magic well. And after turning three times, look into the magic well. There you will be able to find three pennies. And he asked him to hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane, turned around three times, and there in the magic well were three pennies. He took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the forest to all the other little animals. And they all gathered around him. He was given a very special treatment because he was smelling so good. And they played tag. Tag क्या होता है? खींचातानी वाला गेम होता है ना जिसमें दो साइड्स होती हैं, कौन जीतेगा, कौन ज्यादा जोर लगा के रस्सी को अपनी तरफ खींच लेगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड टैग. Baseball, football, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, pickup sticks. So many games they played together. Now the daughter was inquisitive. What is pickup sticks? So the father explained, it is a game that you play with sticks. So now she asked, is it a game like Wizard's Magic Wand, Magic Stick? A kind of, you can say. And they played games and laughed all afternoon. And then it was going to get dark. So all these young animals ran home to their mommies. Now, Jo was starting to fuss with her hands. She was trying to play with her hands. Now she was deviated. तुम लोग करते हो कभी ऐसा? मैम फिर तुम्हें point out करते, why are you fiddling with pen, playing with your nails or
Yes, ma'am.
punching your nails, है ना? तो ये this is that she was
Yes, ma'am.
losing attention in the story. And look out of the window. Now she was looking out of the window at the crack of the day that showed under the shade. So she was looking at the crack of the day. Crack of the day means the end of the day that showed under the shade. She thought the story was all over. अब तो story खत्म हो गई थी. Skunk को स्मेल मिल गई जो वो चाहिए थी. उसने पेमेंट कर दी, वो खुश था, अब अपनी मम्मी के पास चला गया. Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. अब ये Jack का male dominating view है that he never liked girls or women when they took anything for granted. अब यहाँ पे जो ने क्या किया था, जो ने स्टोरी ग्रांटेड ले ली थी ना कि आगे तो अब यही होने वाला है, तो उसने कुछ सरप्राइज एलिमेंट ऐड करने की कोशिश की. He liked them apprehensive. Apprehensive means when you are thinking continuously about the next thing, when you are worried, hanging on his words, waiting for his words to come out. Now, Joe, are you listening? So the father confirmed, are you listening carefully to me? Yes, yes, because this is very interesting. Now he said, because something very interesting is going to take place. So now he continued with the story. Roger Skunk's mommy said, what is that awful smell? Which awful smell is she talking about? Which awful smell is
The
she
smell
talking
of Rogers.
Smell of
The
roses.
smell of
Yes.
skunk.
नहीं, the smell of roses that was coming out of skunk. क्यों? क्योंकि उसकी मदर के लिए नॉर्मल स्मेल कौन सी थी? वो स्टिंकिंग स्मेल. तो यहाँ रोजेस की स्मेल आ रही थी. That was unusual. That's why she pointed out. Who made you smell like that? And he said, the wizard. Now she was annoyed. Who made you smell like that? Who gave you that smell? And the boy answered, the skunk answered, the wizard. Well, off all the nerve. You come with me and we are going right back to that very awful wizard. So now she said, no, never doing, nothing. Come with me and we are going to go back to that very awful, very annoying wizard. Jo sat up. Now Jo sat up on her bed. She did not like this. Her hands dabbling in the air with genuine pride. Now her hands were in the air with that genuine fear. But daddy, then he said about the other little animals, run away. But daddy, you said now that when he was smelling awful, the other animals ran away from him. Her hands skittered off into the underbrush, and her hands were skittering, means they were like this, nervous, like this, into the underbrush. Underbrush means into the undercover. All right, he said. So he said, yes, yes, I said so. But mommy, all the other little animals ran away. And she said, I don't care. You smell the way a little skunk should have. So now the boy said that Roger Skunk said, all right, but mommy, all the other animals ran away when I was smelling that way. So the mother said, no, no, I don't care about it. You should be smelling. Sorry, you should be smelling like a skunk. Have you ever seen a skunk smelling of roses? I'm going to take you right back to the wizard. And she took an umbrella, went back to the with Roger Skunk and hit that wizard very hardly on his head. No, Joe said. Now Joe was very upset with this. No, and she put her hand out to touch his lips. So now she was putting her hand out to touch her father's lips to stop him from saying that. that she was going to do this, that mother skunk was going to do this. She did not like this at all. Yet, even in her agitation and even in her anger, did not quite dare to stop the source of truth. So she did not even hesitate to stop the source of truth. She did not stop her father's mouth, hesitate to stop her father's mouth. Inspiration came to her. Then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. अब ये अपने आप ही उसमें स्टोरी बना दी कि मदर ने उसको हिट किया और उसके बाद विजर्ड ने भी मदर को हिट किया और मदर को उसने स्कंक को चेंज नहीं किया. बट फादर ने क्या कहा, नहीं नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. द विजर्ड सेड ओके. विजर्ड ने मार खाई और उसके बाद विजर्ड ने कहा ओके. एंड रॉजर स्कंक डिड नॉट स्मेल ऑफ रोजेस एनीमोर. उसने अपना जादू हटा दिया. एंड नाउ रॉजर स्कंक वाज नॉट स्मेलिंग ऑफ रोजेस एनीमोर. He was again smelling very, very bad. But the other little, so now she's showing her expression that she's not liking it. Oh, but the other little animals would not be playing with him now. Joan, now the complete name of Joe is Joan. Joan, it is daddy's story. Now the father is reminding. Do you remember it is my story? Shall daddy not tell you any more stories? If you're going to behave like this, I'm not going to tell you any more stories. Her broad face looked at him through sifted light, astounded. Now the daughter was surprised as well as annoyed. This is what happened then. Roger skunk and his mummy went home and they heard whoo, and it was choo-choo train bringing daddy skunk home from Boston. Now he continued with the story. So this is what happened, that Roger skunk and his mother went with the woo-woo and choo-choo of the train, and the father returned. Daddy skunk returned from Boston. They had their lima beans, celery, liver, mashed potatoes, pie oh my for dessert. And when Roger skunk was in bed, mother skunk came up and hugged him because her baby, Roger skunk, was now smelling like a skunk again. She loved him very much, and that is the end of the story. Now the daughter asked, but daddy, now the father said, what? Then did the other little animals run away? So now Joe is asking, now he was smelling again bad. So the other animals ran away from him? No, because eventually they got used to the way he was and did not mind it at all. No, nobody ran away after that because the other animals got used to him, that he used to smell like that. So they never used to run away after that and they adjusted with that only. What is even shilled? In a little while. Now, even shilled means in a little while. So she's asking the meaning. That was a stupid mommy. So who is saying this? Joe. That was a very stupid thing of her mommy. She was a foolish mommy. It was not. Now Jack was saying, no, no, it was not. He said with a slight emphasis. Emphasis means जोर देके कहना. And believed from her expression that she realized he was defending his own mother to her. And with her expressions, the father realized अब ये question story से हटके ना personal हो गया. So the way Jack was defending skunk mother, Roger skunk mother, Joe was looking at him as if he was defending his own wife. Means Claire in front of Joe, that whatever she was doing to Joe was right. Or something as odd. Now I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow and have a good long nap. Now the father tried to avoid the whole thing and he said, I want you to go and have a good sleep. He adjusted the shade so not even a crack of day showed. And he adjusted the shade of the window in such a manner that when the beginning of the day would be there, not even a single ray of light would be disturbing her. And tiptoed to the door. And he tried to tiptoe. On his toes, he tried to go out of the door in the pretense that she was already asleep. And he was thinking, pretense means false thinking, that she was already asleep. But when he turned, she was crouching on top of the covers and staring at him. But when he turned to have a last look at his daughter, he saw that she was sitting on all the covers and she was looking at him. Hey, get under the covers. So the father said, hey, get under the covers and fall fast asleep now. Bobby is asleep. Your brother is already asleep. She now stood up and bounced gingerly on the springs. And now she was bouncing on the springs of the mattress. Daddy, now father asked, what? Tomorrow, I want you to tell me the story that the wizard took that magic wand and hit that mom. So now the daughter is asking that tomorrow you are going to continue with the same story and you are going to tell me that the wizard did not change the smell, rather the wizard hit the mommy. with his magic wand. Her plump arms chopped forcefully, and her plump arms were like this forcefully, right over the head. So she was saying this very adamantly that the wizard should hit the mommy. No, that is not the story. So the father opposed. No, no, that can't be the story. The point is that the little skunk loved his mummy more than he loved all the other little ants. So he said, no, no, the message of the story is that the Roger skunk loved his mother more than any other creature because she knew what was right for him. जैसे हमारी मम्मी कई बार हमें करती है ना, हमारी मम्मी सबसे गलत लगती है हमें, कभी जब हमें डांट देती हैं और बाकी बाहर वाले सब सही लगते हैं. तो the father was emphasizing on the same thing that others were not thinking about Roger Skunk's benefit. The mother was right because she was thinking about Roger Skunk's benefit. No, tomorrow you say he hit that mommy. नहीं नहीं, आपको ये कहना ही पड़ेगा कल कि विजर्ड ने मम्मी को मारा. Do it, आपको ये करना ही पड़ेगा. She kicked her legs up. अब उसने अपने पैर चलाने शुरू कर दिए. And she sat down on the bed with a great heave and complaint of spring. अब वो वहीं पे उछलते उछलते बेड पे बैठ गई, as she had done hundreds of times before. And she had done this hundred of times earlier also, except that this time she did not laugh. Earlier she used to do as a kind of fun, but today she was doing it as a kind of adamancy. She was trying to show that she was not happy and she wanted this thing to be done. Say it, daddy. आप promise करो कि आप मुझे कल यही story सुनाओगे कि wizard ने मम्मी को मारा. Well, we will see. Father ने कहा, okay, okay, we'll see. Now at least have some rest. Stay on the bed. You are a good girl. Go and sleep. Be a good girl. He closed the door. He went downstairs. Claire had made the arrangement. The wife had made the arrangement. She had spread the newspaper. She had opened the paint can and was wearing an old shirt of his on top of her maternity gown. Was stroking the chair rail with a dipped brush. So she was putting a stroke. She was painting the rocking chair rail with a dipped brush. Above him, footsteps vibrated. So above him, he heard the footsteps that somebody was moving in the upstairs room. And he called, Joan, shall I come up there and spank you? So now the father asked, shall I come there and beat you, scold you? The footsteps hesitated. As soon as he said, the footsteps stopped. That was a long story. Now Claire said, you took a long time. That was a long story that you narrated to Joe. The poor kid. Now the father answered, oh, she's a poor girl. With utter weariness watched his wife labor. And he was also tired narrating that story. And now he was looking at his wife when she was working hard on that furniture. The woodwork, a cage of moldings and rails and baseboards all around them. So the woodwork included all those molding furniture, rail furniture, baseboards had all to be painted. Was half old tan and half new ivory. So some of the furniture was painted, some of the furniture was still new. Means was new because it had been painted, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. अब वो ugly middle position क्या थी? कौन बताने वाला है मुझे? What was this ugly middle position that he was feeling himself to be caught in? बताओ, ये middle position क्या है? कि वो फादर का रोल पूरा करे या वो वाइफ या वो हस्बैंड का रोल पूरा करे. So he stuck in that middle position, that whose responsibility, whose side he should justify. Whether he should justify his role as a father, taking the side of his daughter that the wizard should be hitting the mommy, or he should be taking the side of his wife as a good husband and telling the girl that everything is done for her benefit. Is it clear? Voice? Yes. Chiran, Shakshak, Mohit, Harshit.
मैम लास्ट वाला पार्ट थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आया मैम. I was disconnected.
Acha, the thing is saying he was stuck in an ugly position. The woodwork was there, that all those things were there, the molding, rail. Some of the furniture was already painted. Some of the furniture was already still left. And he was stuck in an ugly position, a middle position that was very ugly. A situation that was very ugly. Why? यहाँ पे हम फर्नीचर की बात नहीं कर रहे कि आधा फर्नीचर पेंट था, आधा अनपेंटेड था, तो इस वजह से वो फंस गया. नहीं, वो फंसा इस वजह से कि वो अपने फादरली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा करते हुए डॉटर की साइड ले कि डॉटर जो कह रही है वो सही था, या वो अपने हस्बैंड क्वालिटीज को, हस्बैंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा करते हुए वाइफ की साइड ले कि वाइफ जो स्टेप लेती है डॉटर के लिए वो सही लेती है। तो किस साइड पे जाए, दैट इज हिज मिडिल पोजिशन. एज अ फादर ही शुड गो और एज अ हस्बैंड. And though he as well felt his wife present in the cage with him, and again he was understanding his wife's position. यहाँ पे उसकी मिडिल पोजीशन जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, वो मिडिल पोजीशन दो सेंस में. एक तो ये वाली जो मैंने अभी बताई, एक दूसरी कि एक पेरेंट की तरह सोचे या एक फ्रेंड की तरह सोचे. पेरेंट की तरह बच्चे का वेल विशर सोचे या फ्रेंड बन के ये सोचे कि जिससे बच्चे को खुशी मिल रही है वो करना चाहिए. एंड द सेम वाज द स्टेट ऑफ हिज वाइफ, कि वो मदर बन के सोचे या एक वुमन बन के सोचे कि उस गर्ल को क्या चाहिए. Right? He did not want to speak with her. So now, for the present time, he was not willing to speak to his wife, work with her, touch her, or anything. So he was not desirous of talking to anybody, touching anything, touching her, working with her at all, because he was not able to come to a specific conclusion that what he should do as a human being, whether he should take his daughter's side or his wife's side. Is it clear, boys? हमने चैप्टर रीड कर लिया. Yes, any doubt you may ask, boys?
इसमें सुनो, इसमें कोई इतना बड़ा कोई बवाल नहीं है. आप ये फीडबैक मुझे टाइप करके